guys, sorry. Hey guys, we're back with a new video. Sorry about that again. But we're going somewhere where I don't know. Like, I don't know where we're going. We're outside right now. I'm in my car seat. Trucks are everywhere. Not the skateboarding trucks, the trucks that you drive. Okay, there's one truck right there. Did you see it? I don't think you did, but if you did, comment down below. I saw it. Comment down below. I saw it. Yeah, do it. Do it, dude. Do it. Do it. I need you to. I want to get this video to 1,000 likes. And however many comments you want, and 1,000 likes on this video. And however many views you want. But I don't know where we are right now. This is crazy. What the heck are we? Where are we? Where are we? What the heck is this place? Well, let's go see. I'm gonna stay? Oh, okay. Well, hey, look, I have a glove. I have a glove of some sort. I have a glove. I'm gonna put it on the page. I have a regular skeleton. I have a regular skeleton glove. I have a skeleton glove, and I have this one. So I have two gloves now. So I have better gripping on my phone. I do. And I'm recording with my phone, and I don't have a camera. So now we'll be having a GoPro. Then we'll be making real videos, longer videos. Okay. Let's see what I can find back there. Ooh, I found a hacky sack. Hacky sack. Okay, let's see what I can find in the trunk. Skateboards. There's skateboards. Yeah, there's really nothing back here. Pokemon cards. A level 90, the sky. I don't know who it is. There's a diary of a wimpy kid. Let's see. Oops. Ooh, I got a Meowth 60 health. What is that? I'm gonna get it out. I don't know what this guy is. Comment down below in the comments what he is, but he has 120 health. 120 health. Can you believe that? And here's a fat suit. I'll show you. He's a fat suit. My cousin wore that for Halloween. I didn't wear that. I was a skeleton with this glove on, but I couldn't find the other glove. So, bye. See you in the next video.